There's my German Shepherd Lobo, my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan. It's February 22nd, after midnight, probably close to 1 a.m. right now. I think this is clip 5 or 6. Come along, it's a beautiful night. Again, that's my Blue Bay Shepherd Kurgan and my long-coated German Shepherd Lobo. As you can probably see, it's been snowing pretty good since I've been down here. I'm probably carrying about 5 pounds of snow on me. Good boy. Good boy. 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 How do you guys still have any urine left in you? You've been peeing for the last hour. Good boys. when I'm getting a workout, I've been walking through 5 to 6 inches of snow for over an hour or so. Well, that's fresh powder on top of old stuff, so it's probably deeper. Wise. Lobo's pulling ice balls out of his paws. Forgot to put a little musher's wax on his feet. Kurgan doesn't have that problem, but Lobo's got some long hairs there that if the snow conditions are just right and kind of sticky, they'll sometimes ice up a little bit. I'll have to clear off the funeral memorial to Ross. You can see it says Ross, R.I.P. And then that little heart thing there says he was a really good human. Wish I knew the story about why that was put there. I don't know if Ross passed away down here or if this is an area he liked to walk his dogs. They do find bodies down here from time to time, usually a few a year. The majority of them wash up from the river. This is just downstream from the lock and dam, and there's a bend in the river at this location, so it's a good spot for things to wash up, which they do. I even have a video somewhere down on my channel of the sheriff boats dredging the river for a body. Might even have a couple of that. I would normally be filming this with my flash on, but because the snow is falling so heavy, it just reflects off all the snow and you can't see anything, so that's why this video is a little darker with no flash. You have to tell me if you like it better or not. I can only film like this with no flash in the winter, because you have such good visibility because of all the white stuff.